I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites so the deployment won't fail. First, make sure you have an active Azure subscription and a resource group ready. This is where you will deploy resources. Once done, install Azure CLI 2.x or use Cloud Shell and run as login to authenticate. Next, create or locate a service principal and secure the Latch Kaiser license key. You need App ID and secret to automate provisioning. These steps prevent permission and licensing errors later. You now deploy the core Latch Kaiser stack using an ARM template or bicep file so infrastructure is repeatable. Use the service principal credentials and pass parameters like license key, region, VM size, and network ID. This ensures consistent sizing and placement. Make sure Key Vault holds secrets. Store the license and service principal secret, then grant the service principal get/list access. Also configure NSGs and managed identities for the application to access other Azure services securely. You finish by running post-deployment tasks so the application is ready for users. Execute database migrations, push configuration sync, and run health probes to confirm services respond. Once done, validate public endpoints, TLS certificates, and auto-scaling rules. Adjust VM scale set or AKS auto-scale policies as needed. If something fails, a key troubleshooting tip is to check service principal permissions, Key Vault access policies, and network security group port rules first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.